Hi everybody! Engine braking was common in gear in mountainous areas, where grades and sharp turns are frequently. If you hold the car downhill for 20 minutes only with the brake pedal, then the pads quickly overheat and wear out. Therefore, I had to drive in low gear under the gas discharge. The process of engine braking on cars with automatic hydromechanical gearbox is similar to drive with a half clutch. It seems the gear is on, the motor is buzzing, and the deceleration is not developing efficiently enough. The car is going downhill faster and faster. I have to help with the brake pedal. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.